rally, participate, solidarity, express, pledge or promise, atrocities, wage, oppressed, homage, martyr, aired, siege, quest/struggle. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Decisive, ensure, denounced, demonize, condemned, adjourned/put off/deferred, valiant/brave, coherent, so far, resumption/restore, repression, acquittal, chanted/slogan, financial/fiscal, crunch/crisis/turmoil, amid/during, unanimously/consensus/ci/to-I, procession, cater/provision/render, delegation/envoy, confident, inquisitive, ceremoniously, fight/strife, cowed, bystander, fallout/result, fallout, mammoth/overwhelmingly/extremely, overt/open, covert, /clandestine, mass/public, pronounced shift, revitalize, supposed to, succumb, embargo, foster/increase/soar/hike/spur/surge, diminish/reduce/decline, shrewd/clever. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Hope that you will like it. If you like our channel, kindly comments.